everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Tomorrow is Jamai Shoshti and I know all the mother-in-laws are stressing over what to make for their beloved son-in-law on this occasion. So here comes the recipe that will impress your son-in-law in this auspicious occasion of Jamai Shoshti, and that is stuffed dum aloo or stuffed aloo dum. It's a very interesting, unique, easy recipe but delicious recipe. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further interesting videos. Now let's get into the recipe. For that, here I have taken 5 medium-sized potatoes which I have peeled and soaked into water so that they don't brown. Now I'm going to cut them. First cut the head portion like this. Now I'm going to show you how to scoop them. So using a peeler, scoop it like this. If you have a scooper, you can use a scooper, but I don't have a scooper, so I'm using this peeler. If you don't have a peeler, then use the back of the spoon. Suppose you have a sharp back of the spoon, use that kind of spoon, and from the middle scoop out the potato flesh. So here now I'm using the back of the spoon and scoop out all the flesh from the middle of the potato and make a cavity inside it. And in that cavity we are going to stuff. That's why it's called stuffed potato. So the cavity is ready. See, almost all the way to the end. Don't go all the way, then there will be a hole and stuffing will get out from there. So be careful. So I have made cavity in all the potatoes. Now I'm going to make the stuffing that I'm going to put into the cavity. For that, here I have taken 200 grams of cottage cheese or chana, which I have made at home, but you can definitely use grated paneer. Next, I am going to add 3 green chilies, which I have chopped finely, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 3 tablespoons of fresh coriander finely chopped. Next goes half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Adjust the salt and pepper according to your taste. And half a teaspoon of sugar. And then I'm going to mix everything together, but before that I forgot to tell you I have added some nuts, 5-6 almonds, 4-5 cashew nut and 5-6 raisins, all of them chopped finely, and then mix everything together. Now the stuffing is ready. This is so easy. Next, all we need to do is put the stuffing inside the cavity of the potato. Using a spoon, I'm going to do that and stuff the potato with generous amount of stuffing. Like this, press it with your finger or back of the spoon and stuff as much stuffing as you can, so that when you cut into the potato, every bite of the potato has stuffing. Now it's done. I'm going to do the same with the rest of the potatoes. Stuff all of them the same way, generously. Next, I'm going to make a slurry or a paste using 2 tablespoons of plain flour or maida. And to that I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Don't add the water at one go. Add the water little by little. We're going to make a thick paste or thick slurry to seal the potato. Seal the opening of the potatoes. As you can see, they are very thick paste like this. So our slurry is ready. Now use it to seal the opening of the potatoes like this. This is necessary, otherwise the stuffing will come out of the potatoes when we're going to cook them or fry the potatoes. This will prevent, the slurry will prevent the stuffing from coming out from the potatoes. So all of them are ready. Now I'm going to fry them. So for that, here in a pan I'm going to take 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, because I'm going to use the same oil for the later cooking. When it's nice and hot, not too much but medium hot, I'm going to add the potatoes and fry them on low flame for 10 minutes or till they're golden brown from both the sides. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a paste. So here I've taken 2 large size tomatoes and 5-6 cloves of garlic and 3 to 4 green chilies and some cashew nuts, 4-5 cashew nuts and 1 inch of ginger. And I'm going to make a paste of it like this. Grind them into smooth paste like this. This is the base of the gravy. So now after 10 minutes our potatoes are nicely golden brown. Now I'm going to remove them on a plate. This is a very easy recipe which you can make within like 25 to 30 minutes, but it tastes so delicious that no one will believe that you have made this gravy so easy. Now I'm going to pour the same oil in the pressure cooker. I'm using pressure cooker to make it quick. If you don't have pressure cooker, you can do the same in kadhai. So in that oil I am adding half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms which I have pounded. Next, fry them for 30 seconds or so that all the spices releases their aroma. Next goes 1 medium size of onion. I'm using onion. You can definitely skip the onion and make it vegetarian or niramish. Now I'm going to fry them over medium flame for 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes they have turned into nice golden brown color. Now add the masala paste into the onion and fry them over medium flame for 5 minutes as well. Next, after 5 minutes, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Next goes half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Adjust the red chili powder according to your taste. Next, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder and mix them. The gravy looks so delicious now as well. Next goes half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is optional. I'm using it so that the color of the gravy becomes more vibrant. Now add salt according to your taste, as potatoes are going to absorb some salt, so I'm using more salt. Next goes 50 grams of grated khova or mawa. If you don't have mawa, skip the step. The gravy will taste good as well without the mawa as well, but if you add the mawa, the taste will be much more richer. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water and mix everything together. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix as well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves and crush them and add them into the gravy and mix. And this will give it a restaurant style taste. Now add the stuffed potatoes here. Bring it to boil like this over high flame and then in with the lid. Press the whistle place it here, and on medium flame cook it till 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, I have turned off the gas and let it rest, and now I have removed all the steam, and see, our stuffed dum aloo is ready, and I'm going to serve it on a plate. Doesn't the gravy look so delicious and restaurant style? Now I'm going to put the potatoes here. You can increase the amount according to your number of guests. Now I'm going to add some cream over it and some coriander for garnishing. If you don't have cream, don't add it. It's optional. It's for garnishing. Just skip it. And I'm going to cut a potato like this and place it so that people can know what is inside. So doesn't it look so delicious and mouth-watering and lovely looking? Doesn't it a restaurant style dish that you can prepare at home and impress your son-in-law? Let me know in the comment section about your feedback and your son-in-law's feedback. And don't forget to like the video, share the video as much as you can, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.